If you want to create a bootable pen drive to install Windows 8 in your PC, then watch this video till the end. At first, you need a minimum 8 GB pen drive and Windows 8 ISO file, which you can get from Microsoft website. Okay, now let's see how to create a bootable pen drive for Windows 8 very easily. At first, download and open Rufus software from here. I have already downloaded this Rufus software. Okay, now after downloading Rufus software, simply click on it and then click on yes. Here you can see I have 32 GB pen drive. It is already selected. You have to plug in before opening this Rufus software. Next, you have to select the Windows 8 ISO file. Simply click here on select icon and then click on Windows 8. Here you can see Windows 8 ISO file is selected and you have to do nothing. In the volume label, here you can rename it. All the process is done. Now here click on start and then OK. So all the steps are done and here you can see the pen drive is ready. That means now you can use this pen drive to install your Windows 8 in your PC. Now have a look at the pen drive. Here is the bootable pen drive and this is the setup file. By this way, you can create a bootable pen drive for Windows 8 and install Windows 8 in your PC very easily. If you face any issues, kindly comment below and I will try to help you. Thanks for watching.